All right, everybody, got quite a few messages since that last episode I did where I checked out some gloves from my buddy Justin Voss at Defiant Metal. He sent me some gloves a few months ago. They've been absolutely awesome. They're 100% my favorite gloves I've used. I love them. But a lot of people have asked how they've been holding up. So because I got another box from Justin just now here, we're gonna check out what we got as far as new options, and I'll let you know what I think of the ones I've been using for the last few months. All right, so the first ones we got here are definitely for wire feed. These ones are a little more hardcore. They're definitely thicker, but I have been using them for some wire feed. They're great for flux core, solid wire, definitely aluminum wire feed. They're definitely a little bit thicker, which means they're gonna hold up a little longer, and you can grab stuff that's a little hotter. It's nicer for fab jobs and stuff like that, but these are awesome. Next ones we got here are definitely my favorite ones. These are the ones I've been using for the last little while on the channel. These ones are brand new. Obviously they look great. Check out these ones here. These are the ones I've been using for a few months now. These ones actually almost look brand new. They've been holding up really, really well. I've been doing some titanium, aluminum, and stainless TIG welding on the channel here, a bunch with these. You see them in the videos all the time. They look awesome, and they've been holding up great. The dexterity you get with these in the fingers is absolutely awesome. It's like the best ones I've used, honestly, and I really mean that. Especially for stuff where I'm using really thin filler wire for art projects and stuff like that. I've got to have gloves that have good dexterity in the fingers, and these gloves do exactly that. They're awesome. All right, next ones we got here, check these out. We got some pink ones. What do you think of those? I'm actually gonna rock some of these on my channel every now and then just to spice it up. They look great. I've actually kind of been debating teaching my wife how to TIG weld. Kind of scared of what might be lurking in the comments if I make that episode, but we'll see. But these gloves are awesome. They look great too. It's the same materials as the other ones that I liked so much, but basically just different colors. They got the heavy black leather around the cuff instead of the brown leather, and they got the pink leather around the hands. These are pretty cool. So I'm gonna see how they fit me. I'll give a pair to her, see if she wants to use them. But these ones are cool. Definitely cool to see some options in color. And then check these out. These are my favorite ones. How dope are these? If you have kids, you know how cool these are. They're kids TIG gloves, so 100%. My kids are a little young to be TIG welding still, but these are gonna get some use at some point. So, Justin, great job with these gloves. Absolutely love them. I'm also gonna make a silly video with these ones. Last time I did a review for Justin, I did a silly video. He specifically asked that I make another silly video to this one. So if you wanna see that, go to my Instagram, follow me on there if you don't already, and then I'll post it there. But again, I have a specific link down below from my channel. So if you wanna check out any of these gloves for yourself, use that link below. It just tells them that I sent you. That's all. I would appreciate it. Get yourself some dope gloves. Keep your hands fresh, looking cool. All the arcades who watch the show every week, leave a dime in the comments below. I love seeing those. My name is Dusty for Pacific Arc TIG Welding. Feel and chill. We'll talk soon. Peace.